Welcome back, welcome back. Now, I had a video. It was already go, but it got deleted. So, I'm gonna do something else tonight. We're gonna go visit a car that I'm interested in. We're gonna test how good the G7X Mark II is. And we're gonna drive around and see if we can find anything exotic, modified, just any type of interesting cars tonight, because it is a Friday night and they be out. I have my ugly assistant with me as usual, and we're gonna see what's going on. Here it is, people. Here it is. Jeep SRT. You know, we got the Brembo brakes, you know, big boy brakes. Look at the interior. It's pretty nice. Solid interior. 2.5 rows. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm on my way to the real car that we came here for. It's the new Dodge Ram. Nah, I'm playing. Here it is, right here. The real beast we came here to see. Charger SRT 8. That's right, people. I am potentially looking at buying a Jeep SRT, a Charger SRT 8, 08, anywhere from the 2006 to 2010 version. Potentially looking at buying one of these bad boys from 2006 to 2010. I don't think you can see the inside. You can really see it, but yeah, this is one of them. Look at her. I'm sorry I had to do it to you. I'm sorry. You know, it just has to happen. You know, things like this just happen. You know, we're on our way to go do some other stuff because we are finished here. Look what I found here. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna read it from the back like I do. SLK 250. Another good find. This thing is little. Sheesh. Hit him. Sideways if he got to. And up and down, I don't know. None of that. We just saw it earlier too. So I walk by this joint every day. Well, not walk by, I drive by it. Never stop through. We got, I don't know what color this is, but we got the Hellcat. This is why I don't come to car lots during the day, because they the most pesky people, and they always be like, can I help you? Can I help you? Then you be like, no, I'm just looking. Then when they walk away, they be like, what's your broke ass? You know what that? So we got a 392 SRT, 2 of them. We got a Hellcat. This looks like it's probably a SXT. We got a Shaker 392 RT. We got the TA, which I think got the 345 in it, with a satin black hood with the hood pins. I like that. We got the Durango SRT, and we got a, you know, the all famous all red Hellcat. Brembo brakes, of course, because that's the only thing that can stop this thing. But this is out of my budget right now, you know. And we got the black 5.0. You know, you probably can't see it that good. They don't come with Brembos? Maybe they do, I can't see it. No, they don't. 5.0s don't come with Brembos. What's up with that? What's up with that, girl? That forehead though. 5.0s do not come with Brembo brakes. I did not know this. We'll see. Will any of those cars be in my future? We will find out one day. My camera's dying, and I don't know how much longer I got. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, browse the channel, and have a nice night.